ZD411T Setup. You will need a roll of media to set up your first test print. Refer to the setup guide to download and install Zebra Setup utilities. Connect the power supply to the printer. Connect the power cord to the power supply. Connect the power cord to an AC power source. Verify the indicator is illuminated. Press and hold the power button until the indicators illuminate. When ready, the status indicator will show green. Open the printer. Prepare your media. Remove the outside layer from the media roll. Open the media roll holders. Place the media roll on the roll holders and release the guides. Pull the end of the media out the front of the printer. Press the media down under the media guides. Flip the media up and align the movable media sensor for your media type. For continuous roll or label media, align the sensor to the default center position. For black mark media, align the sensor to the outside of the media, avoiding the center area. Make sure the black mark passes completely over the sensor. Place an empty ribbon core on the take-up spindle. Make sure to align the notch on the ribbon core to the tab on the take-up spindle. Place the new ribbon onto the supply spindle. Make sure to align the notch on the ribbon to the tab on the supply spindle. Take the leading edge of the ribbon up and over the print head. Attach the ribbon to the take-up core. Rotate the take-up spindle. Advance the ribbon to take up any slack and align the ribbon. Close the printer. Press and hold pause and cancel for 2 seconds to calibrate the printer to your media. Press the feed button. Press the pause button once to exit pause mode. Remove the excess media. Press and hold power until the indicators count down and turn off. Connected USB cable. You can now run Zebra Setup utilities. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your printer to a computer and complete the setup.